Hello everyone. In our last video we have discussed about the test cross in types of crosses. We have discussed about test cross, that is monohybrid test cross and dihybrid test cross. Now we are going to discuss about the back cross. What is back cross? So see here. Back cross is used to improve the breeds. Okay, back cross is used to improve the breeds, means heterozygous tall or homozygous dwarf crosses with homozygous tall or a dominant character. Here, heterozygous tall or heterozygous dominant or homozygous recessive crosses with this crosses with homozygous dominant one. And which is the dominant? Capital T, capital T. So we are going to discuss about the back cross. Now see here, we are going to take heterozygous dominant character with homozygous dominant character. Now we are going to see the possibility of their offsprings. Capital T, small capital T, capital T. Okay, means this character crosses with this dominant, homozygous dominant trait. Now see here, capital T, same capital T, capital T, capital T, small t, capital T, small t. If you are going to see the phenotypic ratio of back cross, it is 4:0. Phenotypic ratio means the physical appearance is 4:0. Phenotypic ratio. If we are going to discuss about the genotypic ratio, it is 2:2. Means homozygous tall with two homozygous tall and heterozygous tall. So genotypic ratio is 2:2. Homozygous tall and heterozygous tall. Now, if we are going to see if homozygous dwarf crosses with homozygous dominant character, then capital T, homozygous dominant, and homozygous recessive means homozygous dwarf. Okay. Capital T, small t, capital T, small t, capital T, small t, capital T, small t. Means here the phenotypic and genotypic ratio is same. Means all are heterozygous tall. 4:0. Genotypic as well as phenotypic ratio. So, in this manner we have discussed about back cross, and in our last video we have discussed about monohybrid test cross and dihybrid test cross. We are going to discuss about the reciprocal cross. Third type is reciprocal cross. Now, what is a reciprocal cross? So the meaning of reciprocal cross is the parent sex is reversed. Parent sex is reversed. Means, now, what is meant by parent sex? So what we are going to see, we are going to see here the example. Means, if we are going to consider example, capital T as a male parent and it crosses with female parent which is small t, then what happens in F1 generation? We have considered capital T as a male parent. In F2 generation, what we are going to consider? Small t as a male parent and capital T as a female parent. Now, what is need to reverse the sex of the parent? Because as if we have discussed, the karyogenes are not affected during this process or the reciprocal cross, but the cytoplasmic inheritance is affected. Means if you are going to consider a cell which is having a large nucleus, then the chromosome of nucleus doesn't change, but the chromosome present inside the cytoplasm get affected and change due to this. So there is need to reciprocal cross. Means if you are considering one character as a male parent, then we should reverse it as a female parent in next generation. So it is known as a reciprocal cross. As if, what is karyogene? Karyogene is not affected here, but cytoplasmic gene is affected. The reason behind it is that karyo means nuclear. Karyo belongs to nucleus. So the gene present inside the nucleus is not going to change or not going to get affected due to this such things. But the cytoplasmic gene may vary or can inherit its character and get affected. So there is a need for reciprocal cross. We are going to take one more example of it, such as if we are going to consider A as a male parent and B as a female parent, then the total offspring will be male female both. But the character now A will be female and B will be male. Again, next A male and B female. Means in first generation, if we are going to consider A as a male, in second generation we have to consider A as a female. In third generation we have to consider as a first generation. Means first generation, second generation and third generation and so on. So in this manner we have discussed about types of crosses such as test cross, back cross and reciprocal cross. In our next video we are going to discuss about the incomplete dominance. So thank you friends for watching my video.